Hello អ៊ំជំរាបសួរឥឡូវអ៊ំធ្វើអីហ្នឹង
ខ្ញុំតែហាងបន្លែ
ហាងបន្លែជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា Get your Cambodian reels ready because today I'm taking you to Bangkok, not Bangkok, Bangkok, and that's a very new developed city here in Phnom Penh, and we're going to the food court. So get your money ready, lots to eat, and I'm excited to show you this part of Cambodia. The streets and sidewalk kind of remind you of a Western country city because it's nice and big, place to walk. I just want to show you a food court here in Cambodia. Unlike Thailand, they have areas where like they put everybody together and you just come to shop and eat. So here in Cambodia, they have the same thing. And this place is called the Sunshine Family Night Market. So you can see, they also have I guess that you would call it like a snow park where they have you can go in and it's just full of snow, man-made snow. So for those Cambodians who never get to experience weather like that, they have a facility. It's called Sunshine Snow World. I'm just reading it right now, and I'm here because one of my relatives has a little stand here. Hello អ៊ំជំរាបសួរឥឡូវអ៊ំធ្វើអីហ្នឹង
ខ្ញុំតែហាងបន្លែ
If you like barbecue squid, this has to be the place for you. Johnny? Mực ping pieng? Mực ping pieng. Squid. Barbecue squid. And you got live entertainment. You got food court all over the place. And I have to promote Cambodia because I know if you're watching it, it's because you love Cambodia as much as I do, or you're interested in Cambodia. And hopefully I can show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. But right now I want to focus on the good because you can read all the negative stuff on the internet. But I will tell you, you come to Cambodia, the one thing you would experience right away is the smiles, the friendliness, and the kindness that people show you here. And what I love about here as content creator, I feel like I can just walk around and shoot, right? And it's all good, like no one's gonna say nothing. But you come to Cambodia, Bangkok, it's on the way to Sen Sok Mall, Eon 2. So this area is very new and developed and very comfortable. However, it is a little away from all the stuff that as a tourist you would want to do, like Riverside, the King's Castle. It's probably like 15 to 20 minutes depending on the traffic. But other than that, you know, if you want comfortability, you can live here. You'll be very comfortable. Everything is super modern here, so no worries there. Checks a lot of boxes, and I'm glad I have the opportunity to show you Cambodia the way I do through my eyes, especially from living in Los Angeles, California. I get to come here and show you my day-to-day from my perspective of living here and not a tourist, right? Because if you come here for 2 weeks, let's be honest, you're not here to save the elephants. So you're here to party, drink, and experience Angkor Wat and all that fun stuff that you can pack into 2 weeks. But when you're living here, you have to see things a little differently, right? You have to find your comfort spots, I call it. You know, the places you like to eat, your coffee shops, your laundry, and what neighborhood you want to live in. That's very, very important. One thing Cambodia, what I love is the affordability. If you're a Westerner, living here is super, super chill, super easy. And right now I'm at my relative's stall. They sell bok lahong, which is a papaya salad, and I'm gonna get some food, but I just want to show you Cambodia through my lens. And everyone's gonna have a different experience, but you gotta know what you want when you travel, right? I like to experience things, I like to eat food, and I know Cambodia doesn't get a lot of credit for a lot of things, and it's because when you watch videos of Cambodia, they're gonna show you all the touristy spots, right? And I wanna show you all the local spots that you can come here and feel invited. It's really comfortable. I'm walking around and people are just looking at me, right? Because I feel like a celebrity here, low-key. But I want to thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing. And I can't wait to do more videos like this to show you why I love Cambodia. And I hope that you will love Cambodia too.